The Austrian adventure awaits. Navigate your student visa journey. Austria, land of Mozart, breathtaking mountains, and delicious Sachertorte. Dreaming of studying there? You're not alone. Thousands of students just like you are drawn to Austria's world-class universities and vibrant culture. But before you pack your bags and brush up on your German, there's a crucial step you can't ignore: the Austrian Student Visa. It's the golden ticket to your academic adventure. Getting your visa might seem daunting, but don't worry, we've got you covered. This guide is your ultimate roadmap to navigating the visa process with ease. We'll break down the steps, the documents, and even share some insider tips to help you avoid common pitfalls. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way. So let's dive in and get you one step closer to living your Austrian dream. Types of visas. Picking the right path for your studies. Austria offers different types of student visas, each tailored to your specific study duration and program. Choosing the right one is essential for a smooth application process. Visa D. This visa is your go-to if your course lasts longer than 6 months. It's like the VIP pass for long-term studies in Austria. Visa C, the Schengen visa. Planning a short course or language program under 3 months? The Schengen visa is what you need. It grants you access to Austria and other Schengen countries for a limited time. Think of it like choosing the right train ticket. You wouldn't want to end up with a short trip ticket for a cross-country journey. Packing your application, essential documents for your Austrian visa. Consider your visa application as a backpack for your Austrian adventure. You need to pack it carefully with all the right items to ensure a smooth journey. Missing documents are a common reason for visa delays or rejections. Here's a checklist of the essentials. A valid passport. Your passport should be valid for at least 3 months beyond your intended stay in Austria. An application form. Download the correct form from the Austrian embassy or consulate website in your home country. Proof of acceptance. This is your golden ticket from the Austrian university confirming your enrollment. Financial proof. You need to demonstrate that you can support yourself financially during your stay. This could be bank statements, scholarship letters, or a sponsor's declaration. Accommodation proof. Where will you be living in Austria? You'll need to provide evidence of your accommodation arrangements, such as a rental contract or dormitory confirmation. Travel insurance. Accidents happen. Make sure you have health insurance coverage that meets the Austrian requirements. Passport photos. Don't forget those passport size photos. Check the specific requirements on the embassy website. Section 4. Step-by-step guide. Conquering the visa application process. Ready to apply? Here's your step-by-step guide to tackling the visa application process. First, contact the Austrian embassy or consulate in your home country. They are your go-to source for the most up-to-date information and requirements. Next, gather your documents. Remember that backpack we talked about? It's time to pack it. Make sure you have all the necessary documents ready. Then, complete the application form. Fill out the application form accurately and completely. Double-check for any errors or omissions. After that, schedule an appointment. You'll likely need to schedule an appointment at the embassy or consulate for a visa interview. Attend the interview. This is your chance to make a good impression. Be prepared to answer questions about your study plans, financial situation, and ties to your home country. Also, pay the visa fee. There's usually a visa application fee, so be prepared to pay it. Finally, wait for a decision. Once you've submitted your application, all you can do is wait. The processing time varies, so be patient. Section 5. Budgeting for the Austrian dream: cost of living and financial aid. Austria offers an incredibly high standard of living, but it also comes with costs. Understanding the cost of living and exploring potential financial aid options is crucial for a smooth transition to student life in Austria. On average, students should budget between 800 to 1,100 euros per month for living expenses in Austria. This includes accommodation, food, transportation, study materials, and leisure activities. Vienna, the captivating capital, tends to be slightly more expensive than other cities. Thankfully, Austria offers several avenues for financial assistance to support international students. Merit-based scholarships, grants, and student jobs are common ways to manage expenses. Researching and applying for these opportunities can significantly ease the financial burden.